I'm going to go through the oil change procedure on this Ryobi pressure washer. This is an older Ryobi. Right there, ry80030. This has the 7-horse Subaru EX21. What's neat about this thing is it has a dipstick and drain bolt on each side. There's one there, and there's one here. This is the side we're going to work with. See, it's got the hole for the drainage. Okay, I got a shallow drain pan underneath the pressure washer. I'm going to crack the dipstick loose and then just take a 14mm wrench. Crack your drain bolt loose. It should come out by hand. I did warm up the engine before doing this. And there you go. Start draining it. There's a crush washer on here. I'm going to replace it. Make sure it's not stuck to the block. If you do replace it, because you don't want two on there. It's going to stop draining. At that point, I like to grab a hold of it. Watch out for the exhaust, that's hot. Just grab it and tip it up until the rest comes out. Okay, it looks like it's all out of there. Just clean up your surface. Make sure you get any crap out of there. And then I got my drain bolt with a new crush washer. Just going to set that guy in there. Tighten it hand tight. And then I just go by feel on these. Right about there. Seems good. Now that the drain bolt's tight, pull out the dipstick. Put it on a clean towel. Grab yourself a funnel. This is kind of a weird angle. And then you're going to want to add, according to the spec I found, just over 20 ounces. And I'm going to be using the AMSOIL small engine oil, 1030. And so this engine says that 1030 is fine. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add about 18 ounces and then start it up. Let it cool down and then check the level. I added about 20 ounces of oil, let it run for just a couple seconds because the water's not hooked up. Shut it off, and I pulled out the dipstick earlier and cleaned it off. So then I put it back in, threaded it in. And there's the oil level, which you'll never be able to focus, but there's hash marks there and there. And you want it in between them, closer to the top hash marks. And that's it. Plus you can actually see the oil inside the motor. So that's it. That's how you change the oil on one of these 7-horse Subaru motors.